Hello dear students, today we will do the poem Home They Brought Her Warrior Dead, which is written by Alfred Lord Tennyson. The poem is about a woman who lost her husband in battlefield and how she reacted when her husband corpse brought at home from the warfield. Let's start. Home they brought her warrior dead, she nor swooned nor uttered cry. All her maidens watching said, she must weep or she will die. In this stanza, the narrator describes the scene when her husband's corpse means dead body, brought at home from the warfield. All people who were present there, they were thinking that his wife will become faint or she will become unconscious with the news and started crying. But they become surprised because she didn't speak a word and didn't shed her tears. In next stanza, then they praised him soft and low, called him worthy to be loved, truest friend and noblest foe, yet she neither spoke nor moved. In this stanza, all people who were reached there and gathered there, they were praising the warrior. They said he was a nice person and deserved all the love. They also said that he was trustworthy. It means a trustful friend and the noblest enemy. Even after hearing all the praises, she didn't move or spoke a single word to anyone. Let's start the third stanza. Stole a maiden from her place, lightly to the warrior stepped, took the face cloth from the face, yet she neither moved nor wept. In this stanza, then from the crowd slowly a lady moved forward and removed the cloth from the warrior's face. And the lady thought that the lady might be started cry or show any reaction on the face, but the lady didn't say anything or didn't cry, and she didn't move from her place. Let's start the last stanza now. Rose a nurse of 90 years, set his child upon her knee. Like summer tempest came her tears, sweet my child, I love for thee. Here the meaning of tempest is storm. In this stanza, what is the narrator trying to tell? He said that at last, when they all were failed to make the lady cry, a 90-year lady placed warrior's child on the knee of lady. On seeing the small kid, the lady started weeping as she was thinking about the child who would have to live the life without a father, and she had to live only for the child. And thinking this, she started cry.